Hi, good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to Poem Praise 2. And that is where the bird is. You see the bird, and she's in the nest with her nestling. I do believe if I can get a little bit closer. Okay, you see the two of them up there. Just a mother in the nest with her nestling down here. I'll walk back. I'll zoom out and walk back. This is the outer view. Now, as you could probably hear, there's beautiful clouds. Certainly hope that today you're having a wonderful afternoon. Coming to you from me here on Poem Praise 2. I would like for you to have a great, wonderful rest of the afternoon, well into the evening. And this is just a little short little bird update vid. And from me to you here on Poem Praise 2, I certainly would like for you to be blessed, and peace and blessings upon you this day. Okay? And stay tuned, y'all. I will talk with you later. Okay? And on that note, certainly peace out. And guess I'll say later, y'all. Until we talk again here on Poem Praise 2.